Hey guys, it's Jayjay Sweets, so welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how I coloured my synthetic Marley hair and also how I did this lovely three-tone ombre faux locks. Hope you enjoy. To fill up my entire headpiece, I used 2 packs of Marley Braid hair in grey, and the ink I'm using right now is actually printing ink, but I would recommend that you use liquitex ink instead. This is not printing ink, it's actually just regular ink. Liquitex ink actually sticks a lot better to synthetic hair. You're also going to need 3 empty spray bottles. These already have stuff in it because I've already done this before, and also you're going to need 100% rubbing alcohol as well. Next, I'm filling the empty spray bottles with a bit of the ink and some of the rubbing alcohol. I'm not exactly sure the measurements, but I know that you do need more rubbing alcohol in the bottle than you need the ink. Because I'm not going to be folding the hair in half when I do install it on my head, I'm going to lay the Marley hair all straight in one, and I'm going to be spraying from black to the top and aquamarine all the way to bottom. This bit is pretty self-explanatory. You just spray the hair the colour you want. Make sure to flip and spray and flip and spray. Also, keep massaging the colour in. Try not to mess up the colours. Don't over massage like one colour into the other so you don't mess up the look. This process can be very messy, so I do recommend that you wear gloves. I just couldn't be bothered to find my gloves, that's why I'm not wearing gloves. But yes, this can get extremely messy. So this isn't like a perfect technique to keeping the colour in your hair. This is just me experimenting to see if it can actually stay. When I finished colouring the hair, I didn't actually wash off any of the colour. You can either leave it to dry overnight, or you can blow dry it with a blow dryer, which is what I did. I couldn't be patient enough, so I ended up getting colour all over my body and my face as I was trying to put the hair in. So like I said, this can get very messy, but yeah, it's a little trial and error and stuff or whatever, but yeah, that's how it turned out. So this is an old dread that I had before that I didn't take out. I'm actually going to be installing the new dread on top of this old dread. If you ain't got this, you can just do a little cane roll underneath. Do the cane roll as long as you want your dread to be. The cane roll is going to be like the base that you're going to be wrapping your dread around. To make the dread look as natural as possible, I basically make sure that you spread the Marley hair as you're twisting it around your cane roll or your plait. I don't know how to explain it, but look here and just follow what I'm doing in it. Spread, twist, spread, twist, spread, twist, spread, twist, spread, twist. Well, you get the message. Just make sure you keep spreading and twisting all the way down the hair. Once I finish wrapping my faux dreads, I use my lighter to burn the ends, and I burn the stray hairs along the faux dreads as well. And lastly, I'm just gonna vajazzle up my dreads with a bit of silver string because everybody else does it and it looks pretty, okay? So this is what the faux dreads look like at the end. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to press that notification bell if you want to be part of my notification squad. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!